आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello student, the question is let p and q are positive integers. F is a function defined for positive numbers and attains only positive values such that f of x into f of y is equal to x to the power p into y to the power q. Then prove that p square is equal to q. Here we have given f of x into f of y is equal to x to the power p into y to the power q. Okay, this is given. Now from here we can calculate x. So x to the power p is equal to f of x into f of y bracket close divided by y to the power q. So x becomes equal to f of x into f of y whole to the power 1 by p divided by y to the power q by p. Okay, so let this is equation 1. Now we have x into f of y inside bracket, so we assume x into f of y is equal to 1. Okay, we assume let x into f of y is equal to 1. Then we can write x is equal to 1 divided by f of y. So equation 1 becomes, in place of x we write 1 divided by f of y. So this becomes 1 divided by f of y is equal to x into f of y is 1, so this becomes f of 1 to the power 1 by p divided by y to the power q by p. So we can say that from this f of y is equal to, taking reciprocal, this becomes y to the power q by p divided by f of 1 to the power 1 by p. Now we can put y equal to 1. Putting y equal to 1, the equation becomes f of 1 would be equal to 1 to the power q by p is 1. So 1 divided by f of 1 to the power 1 by p. So from here we get f of 1 would also be equal to 1. So f of 1 is equal to 1. Then we can say that from this equation, suppose this is equation 2, putting f1 equal to 1, this becomes f of y is equal to y to the power q by p. Now we have f of x into y to the power q by p is equal to x to the power p into y to the power q. Okay. From this function, f of x into f of y is equal to x to the power p into y to the power q. So f of y we have calculated is equal to this, so we can write f of x into y to the power q by p is equal to x to the power p into y to the power q. Okay, now we put y to the power q by p equal to z. Okay, this term we are putting equal to z. Then we can say that f of x into z is equal to x to the power p, and in place of y we will write z. So y can be written as z times p by q, and this whole is raised to power q. So this becomes equal to x into z to the power p. Okay, q would get cancelled out here. Now f of x into z is equal to x into z to the power p. Now putting z equal to 1 in this equation, we can say that f of x is equal to x to the power p. Okay. So f of x is equal to x to the power p, then f of y would be equal to, same way, just replacing x by y to the power p. Okay. Now here we have calculated f of y is equal to this, so let this is equation 3, and here f of y is equal to this, so let this is equation 4. So by comparing both equations, by comparing equation 3 and 4, we can say that from equation 3 we have y to the power q by p, y to the power q by p, and from equation 4 value of f of y is y to the power p. So we can write like this: y to the power q divided by y to the power p. Sorry, not this. We can say that y to the power q by p is equal to y to the power p. So q by p, their powers should be same. So q by p value should be equal to p. So from here we get p square is equal to q. Hence proved. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।